Howdy YouTubers. That is a stained glass F3 that I made years ago, and I'm not a stained glass artist, but I struggled my way through it. Anyway, what I want to show you in today's video is an unboxing of something special. If you follow the channel, you know I've been helping. I help folks with their layouts and track designs, and I'm currently working with a guy, Robert M., who's he's great. He's got a big layout that we designed together, and occasionally I feature updates on that. At some point we'll get some good videos and get him on the channel, and hopefully get him to start a channel so I can point you there. So out of the kindness of his heart, he had an extra Walthers kit, and he sent it to me. So I'm going to open it and show it to you, because it's going to change potentially what we do with the layout. New England Industrial Division. It is the plastic pellet transfer facility, which is awesome. So thank you, Robert. Very much appreciate that. There's a lot I could do with that. Potentially, instead of that maintenance away facility, I could put an industry on that new extension. So no, Robert's created a problem or a challenge or an opportunity, depending how you look at it. But yeah, I love these kits. You can kit bash them. And that's one thing that Robert has been asking a lot about, is how to kit bash. Because, you know, as we get into the hobby, it's a little unnerving to buy an expensive kit and then just, you know, cut it up and put it into an orientation that is not in the instructions. And Robert's just getting comfortable with that. So what I suggested to him is lay the track down first. And if you need to imagine there's buildings, do cardboard cutouts and then put them there. And then you can ultimately make these kits fit the shape of the cardboard cutouts. So he stopped putting the buildings on and just focused on track. And now he's really starting to speed up his layout. So kit bashing, I'll do a video on at some point, because it's something that, you know, it's fun and it's easy for some people. And, you know, it's a learning process for most of the rest of us. And but once you nail it, it's a blast. Anyway, wanted to show you that. Thank you, Robert, and stay tuned for more on his layout build. Cheers.